Hi, this is the final response for Domain 1, D, E, and F. When I looked at Domain 1, D, E, and F to complete the initial post, I did so as an educator, and I thought through what educators should do when preparing and planning instruction and assessment. But as I listened to your responses, I began to think through these components as a building leader and just assessing what my part will be as an administrator to support and evaluate teachers. The key thing that stood out to me as a building leader is that I will need to make sure that the teachers in the building understand the expectations for Domain 1. For Domain 1E, educators need to understand that it takes careful assessment of resources to determine if the ones that are being used are actually engaging students and providing meaningful experiences that prepare the students for success in future learning. As a building leader, I need to be prepared to assist teachers in finding appropriate resources that have been proven to be effective with the types of learners that are in our building, and we need to make sure that these resources align to the vision and mission of our school. At times, the resources will need to be included in budgeted items for the school and or district, so I will need to account for that, and then the teachers will need to be prepared to provide data showing that the resources that are being used are increasing achievement. For 1E, teachers will need to be assessed for designing coherent instruction. In order to do that, they will have to provide evidence that they are the experts in their field of knowledge, and as the educational leader, I should see that the activities that they are choosing for instruction are engaging and rigorous. The instruction should reach students where they are and elevate their ability to use the information in a variety of ways. When asked, the students should be able to tell me what they are learning and why is it important for future learning. In designing assessments, the teachers should be able to present pre and post test data. And it may not be in the form of a test, but they should be able to provide some data that shows us where the students are beginning and where they end after instruction. That way we have something that reveals the impact that the preparation and planning time had on achievement. The reflection will allow me, the building leader, and the teacher to see if the types of resources, instruction, curriculum, and assessments are meaningful. And then we can together plan what is to come in the future so that we can continue increasing students' level of success in our building.